Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Maria Part 7. Today we'll understand how to use there and there. Now, first one is THERE and the other one is THEIR. People usually get confused when they have to use there and there. Okay, so let's just start the session without wasting any time. Hey Maria, I always get confused about when to use there and when to use there. Can you help me understand the difference? One is with THEIR, the other is with THERE. Of course, Alex, there is a possessive pronoun. Now, there, THEIR is a possessive pronoun, which means it shows ownership. For example, their house is beautiful. Here, there, THEIR indicates that house belongs to them. I see. So there THEIR shows possession. What about there THERE? THERE is an adverb that refers to a place or a location. For example, the book is over there on the table. It indicates where something is. Got it. THERE refers to a place or location. Can you give me another example with there? Sure. Their dog is very friendly. In this sentence, there THEIR shows that dog belongs to them. Okay, and example with there THERE? Absolutely. There THERE is a park near my house. So there is a park near my house. Here, there indicates existence of the park in a location. So there THEIR is about ownership and there THERE is about location or existence. Any tip to remember this easily? Yes, think of there THEIR as similar to her or his, which also shows possession. For there, remember that it has here HERE in it, which can help you think of a place. That's a great tip. Thanks Maria, I think I understand it now. Glad to help Alex. Just remember those key differences and you will be using there and there correctly in no time. Don't forget to subscribe. English Company, improve your communication. See you in the next video.